This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Gene Moore. This home is situated in a great setting off the beaten path with a view out the back of the home. Lots of big mechanical updates to the home, such as roof replaced 2019, furnace replaced 2022, heat pump replaced 2022, windows replaced approximately 2010. Septic system last pumped in June 2023 and last inspected May 2024. Large living room dining room combination with hardwood floors, wood burning fireplace insert plus French doors that lead to a covered back deck. The principal bedroom is on the main level with a nice view of the trees and a distant creek. The second bedroom is on the lower level also with a view of the trees and the distant creek. The third bedroom is non-conforming due to inadequate window egress, but there are 2 closets and built-in cabinets. There is a large bonus room off the lower level bathroom that is perfect for storage, office, hobbies, or whatever you like. It even has a separate door to the exterior. There is a nice side yard garden with raised beds and a grassy area all ready for you to enjoy and putter in. For more information